Last spring I decorated my hallway, and whilst you guys loved the makeover, everyone pointed out that the stairs weren't quite fitting the bill, so let's give them a makeover. I'm starting out by ripping up the carpet. This is a really satisfying task, well, until I got to this corner. Next I removed all of the grippers along with any pins and staples. I used a quick drying filler on all of the holes before using an electric sander to sand the entire staircase. We're finally on to the fun part. I'm using Rust-Oleum floor paint. I'm applying 2 coats of this to either side of the staircase next to where the runner's going to be, and I'm applying with a small roller and a brush to get into the edges. It's looking so much better already, but let's get the carpet down. To keep the runner in place whilst I'm securing it, I'm using DIY Doctor double-sided tape. When securing the runner, I'm measuring meticulously to make sure that it's central, and then going in with my electric stapler to secure it. I'm pinching the fabric as much as possible to get it under the lip, and then going as far back as I can with the staple gun. The runner looks amazing, but I'm not finished yet. I'm going to add some stair rods. These stair rods are from Black Country Metalworks. They are polished brass and have an acorn finial. What's special about these is that they come with hinged brackets, has a little silicone pad inside to keep the rod in place, and it means that you can open up the bracket at any time to remove the rods for easy cleaning. I'm securing the brackets with the included fixings and then putting the rod into place. It's also worth noting that Black Country Metalworks will cut the rods down for you, which is really helpful. I'm then going to close the bracket, it clips into place, and then this little fixing holds it all together. The stair rods really complete the look. It adds a little bit of warmth, some lovely interest, and it matches perfectly with the other finishes in my hallway. Let me know what you think in the comments.